This SVD's sponsor saved me from all the messy wires of other soldering irons. The Fantic P1 Max. A fully rechargeable soldering iron and super powerful. Just wait 7 seconds and that's it. You are ready to start soldering. It can work a full hour at 450 degrees Celsius. But if you need a lower temperature, you can use the button on the back to set the heat in 6 different levels. Also, if you don't use it for 30 seconds, it goes into sleep mode. And the moment you pick it up again, it turns back on automatically. But it's not over yet. If you need a different tips, just press here. You get 3 extra tips hidden inside the base. They also sent me their amazing cordless drill with lots of drill bits and a powerful air duster. And right now is the best time to buy because of Black Friday discounts. To get this deals, you can use the link in the description of this video.